treatment of multiple sclerosis. Excuse me. I wish to present this treatment, stem cell treatment in multiple sclerosis. We need to understand some background points at first in order to deal with this topic. For those of you who heard me before, this is the nerve system in a person with multiple sclerosis. This is the nerve, these are the axons. It has a myelin sheath on here, nice and healthy here. About a year it got eaten up by T cells who were renegade T cells. You want to pass it around? Who crossed the blood-brain barrier and decided to make a meal of myelin. This is also another picture. Here's healthy myelin on the nerves, and messages can go really quickly. This one, the nerve is sort of sick. It got it all eaten up. And that is the problem with people who have MS. They need to have that repaired or restored in order for the people to be able to walk again. Our bodies do attempt to repair the myelin sheath, but there's something in the brain that prevents the completion of repair, and that results in lesions or sclerosis, which is the meaning of the word, on the nerves. That comes from the New England Journal of Medicine in January 2002. Stem cell research. Why am I bringing this up? As you probably know, stem cells are the cells which are programmed to become any kind of cell in the body. It could be stomach, it could be liver, it could be myelin. And we need a myelin sheath on our nerves. So that is where the researchers are looking to see if there's any way to restore that. And that's always good. The stem cells are found in you and me, in our bodies at this present time, in umbilical blood, umbilical cord blood, and in embryos. Those are the places where the stem cells can be found. The goal of stem cell treatment for MS is to grow large quantities of myelin-producing stem cells in a culture, and the next step is to reintroduce the stem cells back into the bloodstream, at which point the stem cells, the myelin-producing stem cells, will migrate to the nerves in the brain and the spinal cord and repair the myelin sheath. The Multiple Sclerosis Society of Canada website has a neat little video describing this process beautifully. So if you want to see it, go there. What is being done at this time in multiple sclerosis patients? The New England Journal of Medicine I mentioned earlier gives these studies that some doctors conducted in their own private practice of administering stem cells. And these were documented and seemed to be pretty complete. And the results seem to be good. And the stem cells, each of the three kinds, have been grown and used in treatment. And primarily there are clinics in Europe that have used these stem cells for this treatment. From the results I looked at, clinical improvement ranged from a little bit to extreme disappointment to, wow, I can walk again. So it covers the whole range of of results. And I'm having trouble keeping my place. There are personal stories on different websites on the internet and blogs that patients have set up to give their personal stories about their treatment. There are also statements like at the Multiple Sclerosis Center about how some clinics have been closed down by the countries because some of the procedures have seemed to be a little bit questionable. There are concerns, and a lot of those concerns have to do with the whether or not there are side effects, but one of the big ones is the ethical concern of using embryos for stem cell harvesting. Since the stem cell that you use is a blastocyst, this is a 4 or 5 day old stem cell embryo, and that is where we enter into the ethical question: do you do it this blastocyst can become a person? Thank you.